boys and girls. Today we are talking about wearing a mask. We are going to be playing a little game that we will fill out together called True or False. So we're going to put a check if it's true and an X if it's false. Here's number 1. My mask should cover my nose and mouth. Think in your head. Is that true or false? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. True. So you're going to put a check mark by that. And we're going to keep going. Here's number 2. I can share my mask with my friend. Think in your head. Is that true or false? In 3, 2, 1.
No.
That would be false, huh? So we're going to put an X there. That means no, we can't play with the same mask. Okay? We'll keep going. Number 3. I should only touch the strap on my neck, on my mask. Think about it. 3, 2, 1. That's right. Thank you, everyone. Put a check there, like a check mark, because that is true. Okay? Here's number 4. It's okay to put my mask on my forehead when I'm hot. Think in your head. 3, 2, 1. That's false. So we're going to put an X there. We don't want to do that because then our mouth is showing, huh? Okay, here is our last one. Number 5. My mask helps me protect myself and others. Think in your head. 3, 2, 1. If you said true, that's correct. Thank you so much for joining us today about safety and wearing your mask.